So imagine you're a cybersecurity analyst at a bank. A suspicious Android application has just been reported. So it could be stealing customer credentials or OTPs. So and due to RBI security and data privacy guidelines, bank must be extremely cautious about sending sensitive applications and forensic data to cloud services. So that's where this application VaultAgent comes in. So the VaultAgent is completely offline, AI-powered malware forensic platform. So we upload the suspicious APK, and the application safely inspects the APK inside an isolated environment. So once the required forensic information is extracted, our investigation begins without sending any data to cloud. So instead of relying on a single AI model, Vault Agent uses a custom fine-tuned local model with three specialized agents. So there's a static analyst, identifies the suspicious permissions and components. The reverse engineer investigates the flag behavior. And finally, the chief security officer validates the findings and generates the final forensic report. This collaborative approach makes the analysis more accurate and explainable so that every agent gets a validation. So the dashboard gives analysts everything they need in one place. The forensic metrics summarizes the APK's permission and threat score. The AI explains reasoning in real time, followed by the root cause analysis. It clearly explains why the application was classified as malicious, how to mitigate the threat. A structured, machine readable report is also generated, making it easy to integrate with enterprise security systems. Finally, the analysis efficiency panel highlights how the Vault agent delivers the results in seconds while completely running offline. Now, the Vault agent also creates an interactive attack graph. Instead of reading lengthy technical reports, analysts can easily follow the malware journey from the suspicious permissions to predict attack techniques and finally to the security verdict. In the execution evidence, every conclusion is backed by execution evidence. So rather than asking analysts to trust the AI, so the Vault agents show the supporting evidence, the root cause, and recommend migration, making every decision transparent and easy to validate. So behind the Vault agent is our custom fine-tuned local AI model, purpose-built for Android malware forensics by combining offline AI multi-agent reasoning, explain reports. Vault agent helps bank investigate mobile threat faster, more securely, and entirely with our own infrastructure. Thank you.